as a guy man, if you start arguing, exchanging words with your wife, anything you see, guy, take it, because wine all the too much. But sometimes now when person be angry, it dey stay in mind. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. On this episode of Palava, a guy man is watching football and his wife is saying that she will break the TV. I don't need to say much. Take a look at this video and we'll talk.
Destroy it!
Break them!
What is your use in this house? What is your use in this house? You're going to sleep this house for a whole week! You will come back to meet me just on weekend, bro. I'm here to be very busy watching TV. Very useless man. By the time I destroy this thing, let me so I will sit down to watch. Very useless.
You are talking too much.
I'm talking too much.
Maybe your papa never see good things before for his life.
Now your husband don't see. Now your husband don't see, idiot. For your own generation, when you do that, I was stupid from my house. So they nearly end my life for there. You get money buy this TV. You get money buy am. And you don't come down to house.
God punish you.
God punish your grandfather.
God punish
God
you.
punish your father.
If God no go punish you, you no go talk say I go all the way, all the whole week, spend the whole week for where they hustle for money for you to eat. How still gonna come back quick and not get peace of mind for house? You begin to call them and say, why me I go they watch ball? Say me, if maybe say you don't get sense, they don't train you well from your papa house. Maybe I call the join for inside kitchen.
I don't want to train you.
Man, I call join for inside kitchen.
A better responsible man is going to come home and papa his wife. Not be my own husband, though. No, you are very, very shameless. You are very, very shameless. All you know how to do is this house, whenever you are around, is to sit down and watch television.
God punish you. Break up now. Is that how you can do?
I'm going to break it.
Is that how you can do?
I'm going to break it.
Me, I don't say you no break am. You know, say the shout since before I begin the video. You don't go outside, go carry wood. Say you won't come break am. Me, I won't get evidence. So that by the time the owner of the house will help us, will assist us, okay, may you not die. For that place where they stay before, may you not die there because not be me that they attack.
Not waiting you wish.
Not me that they attack.
That fool is useless lady. She will attack me.
Nah.
If you don't find that useless lady, she will attack me. Not be say because of enough for this house because I won't talk. Because I want to put up the enough sir. Now not going to punish you.
I no go argue you. See am, break am, wipe am now. I swear to God, if I no arrest you, call me bastard.
You can't want to arrest person.
If I don't want to arrest person,
you can't arrest person. You are very stupid.
No, but feeling they do now. Oga go cook my chop. All those nonsense when they talk, I can never join you inside that kitchen. It's not my duty to cook with you.
Can you see? No, now you don't get sense. Now you don't set camera. You don't when you see your stupidity.
And then they go see that leave me.
Make.
Man, marry another person will go give me peace of mind because your problem is becoming.
My life now, useless man. Come and end the life. Oh yeah, come and take. End my life. That was your head right from time. Not your head with that. Useless man.
Don't be waiting carry you go outside with this. The way you were shouting, you are parabolating since we say you won't go carry waiting, you go take come break your helper. As we say, your entire generation no they say anything good.
Your own generation get this.
God can't help you now. Carry us come where you they receive what you no work for.
You get money buy this kind TV. You get no. You tell me say me you
dey now they receive wetin now you work am.
If not for me, they go help you.
If not for you,
yes.
Who you be? You will be bad luck. You will be bad luck. You will be bad luck. I get where I met you. Bad luck. Break up. Me, I dey video you.
I've never met anything spiritual attack. All my I've never seen any spiritual attack when I meet you.
I dey video you. Break am.
Spiritual attack starts.
Break am. I dey video you. Break am. If I no regret the day I met you, very useless woman. It is I don't know. Say you know what you did. You're a bad luck. I was doing it before I met you. I was doing it before I met you. Now you not be you. They told everybody for come back to your enemy.
Not me. They toast the lady.
Me.
Yes.
Me they toast lady. Break TV. No divert. No you start divert. Break am. Break am.
Idiot.
Break am. Maybe I can't join. Can you just imagine? Person go from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday till Saturday. Come to the home on Sunday as a man. I beg, is it a crime for me to say I want to watch ball? How is it a bad thing?
It's a crime. A responsible man who comes to the kitchen and papa his wife.
You are just being stupid.
Coming back from work, you're going to get gift
on your front.
You don't get money. You don't get money. You don't get money. Your cost
All this nonsense we talk now. Now because you see I done the video now. Because you see I done the video now. Why you just see this style they talk?
You don't get shame. We just you don't have video. You want video.
I don't go video now. If you make I don't watch, I don't go upstairs. I don't understand. Now your papa house, I don't go up.
If I want like this, come back.
Oh more.
Come let's just worry your head.
Me man, marry waiting pass am.
Just worry your head.
You are a useless person.
Good for you. Enter kitchen.
You are a useless person. You are a very useless person. See, let me tell you something. If you don't give me stay for this, I will come up for you. I will come up for you. Very useless girl. Sans it be. God will punish you. God will punish you. Now why person they marry? Why I go marry this witch? This Edo people witch. How person go work? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I did work. I cause you come back this weekend, make I watch ball. The bastard no allow me watch ball. I go leave house around, go view center. I go view center, go watch ball. I go view center, go watch ball. If not, give me watch out for house. But trying for kitchen, I no go job.
So you've seen it, right? So like, as a person, as a human being, I don't like arguments and I don't like exchanging words. Because first of all, respect, they say, is reciprocal. How can you be exchanging words with your husband and with your wife, right? And you start telling your husband that nigga, you break the television because you're angry. So whenever you get angry, you start breaking things. That's by the way. So for the woman is not complaining that she's doing the chores, she's doing everything in the house, and the guy is quietly watching his television, right? You know, most times that's what men do. Men usually watch TV, but sometimes it's annoying. Let's just be honest about it. Sometimes it's annoying because most times the woman will be exhausted with the children and the cooking and the cleaning of the house, because obviously they don't have a help, right? Because if they had a help, it would be better. But exchanging words and start telling your husband that you break things. So una they get angry these days, they break television, a whole TV, like flat screen, smart television, you now break it because you're angry. And the man on the other side is not exchanging words. And when they say exchanging words, you hear waiting the man tell the wife, say hunger be one finish her for papa house, and now carried her. Like and the woman on the other side and the lady on the other side is not telling the guy plenty things. Like this is low, this is below. I be beyond the low. Start saying things to the person that you cherish. There are some things you don't say now. There are some things as a person, as a grown adult. You know, some people when they get angry, they open their mouth. It be like say, nah, dead, yeah. Bad things. Some people get angry and they start saying things that you self when they hear the thing, you go on run away. This is the kind of thing people face. When you feel like say you get angry, start saying things as anyhow to person way born for you, person where you born for. Una they vex, just they talk things. Some people now have unforgiving spirits, carry wahala, they go up and down. It carry grudge because somebody is watching television, because somebody refused to help. Now, see, let me just tell you, these days, marriage, it be like say marriage na 50-50. The woman wants the husband to come to the kitchen and start tapping her bumbo and start kissing her. And this other one wants the woman to leave her alone and to watch television. Anyway, now me, they tell you, palava, I need to finish. Every day we see new tests. People are saying that this guy, the woman should allow the man to watch television. Some people are saying the man should go to the kitchen and start helping and be cutting onions. No be me they talk this one, no. That's what people are saying. Anyway, however you feel about this video, please leave your comments on the comment section, because palava, we did it finish. Now every day we see new things. I'm your girl Bella. Peace out.